needles? Don't shake it like a maniac. Turn your head left and right a few times. The nerves will wake up in seconds. Got heartburn at night? Roll onto your left side. It keeps the stomach lower so the acid stays down. Sleep tight with no volcano effect. Can't stop hiccuping? Catch this trick. Block your ears and sip through a straw. It looks silly, but it totally works. Feeling panic? Blow on your thumb. I'm not joking. Do it slow and soft. It stimulates the vagus nerve and slows down your heart rate. Stuffy nose? Try this. Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth and press the spot between your eyebrows for 20 seconds. The congestion will clear. Throat itching? Scratch inside your ear. Hard! It triggers a reflex that stops the tickle instantly. Subscribe for more!